The river depth is approaching 8 feet. It probably was 8 feet. They had a tremendous thunderstorm right after we got the dam in. And if we were 2 hours later, the rainstorm raised the river significantly. And nobody was expecting that at this time of year. But it's still there. The AquaDam looks great, absolutely great. Truckee River, Reno County. This is the K-rail diversion dam. Can't even see the K-rails. It rained like crazy right after we put the dam in and was still pumping it up, and the river spiked way up. And but we had enough water in the dam, so everything's good. The dam's about 10.5 feet tall. It is running over the other end, the wall we started off of. But the dam looks great. It's a 12-foot high dam. And it was a little difficult putting it in, no doubt about it. But it's in and it looks great. And the customer is delighted and happy, happy, happy. So that's what counts. This side of the river, the flow has picked up tremendously. The whole river now, Truckee River, is flowing in this channel. And it got a lot deeper and a lot swifter. Well, Truckee River, Reno, Nevada. Apparently they put up some thin plastic, hoping to seal it right here. There was a lot of big rocks. Well, that's why you have to clean it better. Otherwise, perfect. We've got 2 6-inch pumps running to take care of the seepage.
So this is the river down the stream that anything flows, they catch it right there with these 2 big giant pumps, and they redirect it other side. And then this is the project they are doing here. They are working on these things, and that's how much they have been done. And there is one small AquaDam down there too, and they have done a lot of jobs. They're moving things around. They put these big rocks in there like a bed for this, protecting this side. Those are the pumps. They drain the water. So that's where they drain the water from behind us.